Rain today.
Yeah, rounds of them, Lindsey.
Yeah, so we have these big batches that'll be coming throughout the day, so there'll be a break, and I don't want you to think, okay, good, we're done.
Yeah.
There's more on the way, so just hang tight, guys. As far as what you can expect, I want to show you the rainfall totals from the last 24 hours, and there's definitely a swath of some heavier rain. A lot of this went to Green Bay. It looked pretty miserable up in Lambeau. We talked about that earlier last week. What can you expect going into Election Day? So we have rounds of rain today. We have rain tomorrow as well. Now, I do expect a lot of this rain to happen in the first half of the day, but then it will slowly taper as we go throughout the afternoon. But some of the breezes could get up to even 35 miles an hour at times as temperatures fall through the 60s. Right now, we have the warm front. For Election Day, it's going to be this cold front that does pass through. So we have these batches of rain that will continue until that front is done. Right now, we just have a little bit of those light showers moving in from southwest to northeast. A live look at Elm Grove, and yeah, we just have wet pavement. It is a little bit breezy, so the camera shakes just a little bit as well, and temperatures near 62 degrees at the moment. And a live look here in Milwaukee. See that breeze kicking in? Wet pavement. Watch those leaves because they can be really slippery, and also watch for ponding as well. So we'll get a batch throughout this morning. I do think we get about a mid-morning break, and then we'll likely have another batch as we go throughout the afternoon. So the next 7 days, today impact day, because of these rounds of rain, it'll be mild during the day with highs near 67 degrees. That is almost 15 degrees above average for this time of the year. Going into your Tuesday on Election Day, there will be opportunities where there will be dry time to cast your vote. I do think getting closer to the late afternoon, early evening will be the best opportunity for some dry conditions out there. Then we get to the rest of this week. The rest of your work week is absolutely solid. We have temperatures a little bit above average, not too breezy, and we also have a lot more of that sunshine. And then going into the weekend, we do have some more rain chances that try to pop in here. So let me time it out for you. Futurecast picking this up pretty well. Rounds of rain for today. You can see by the evening, we do have a little bit of a break in the action, but watch this. Overnight, big batch comes in. This is our opportunity for thunder, I feel, because we have a lot more of that moisture. Not a ton of energy, but some dynamics allowing for us to get the potential of some thunder. Then as we go to Tuesday, here's 3 o'clock in the morning. We'll get that batch in the morning, a break, and I do think we get maybe a little hit by about 2 p.m., and then it moves on out with that cold front. Most of this is going to start to taper between 2 and 3 o'clock. Polls close, and then we have a wonderful Wednesday on tap. A little cooler, but we do have that sunshine. How much rain? If you're a little bit further to the south and east of Milwaukee, this is where you have that like 1 to 3 inch mark. This is from now until Wednesday morning, by the way. And right here, you have that swath that could give you up to 1. Very, very beneficial rain. So the bottom line, rounds of rain continue. There will be breaks. I'm not expecting severe weather. A lot of the timing on both of these 2 days favors some morning showers. And overall, from yesterday through Wednesday morning, 1 to 3 inches of total rain. Again, very beneficial rain that we do need. The outlook going into the next week or so does showcase a little bit of an above average trend when it comes to rain and an above average trend when it comes to temperatures. So the mild conditions and the active pattern that we're currently in will likely continue going into next week. We are just 7 days away from Veterans Day and almost 50 days from Christmas, which is wild. I can't believe it. Halloween's done and we're moving on. As you can see, that 7-day forecast, the next 2 days are the ones you want to pay attention to with these rounds of rain. We dry out going into election evening, and then we have a lot of sunshine. Temperatures, I mean, they peak in the beginning of this week, and it's not bad. I mean, 54 is the average high. We'll be near 60 again by the weekend.
Yeah.
I like that. We're finding some silver linings.
Yes, you have to when it's raining all day.
Lindsey, thank you.